Get rewarded for trading.
Continue.
Tentrade just launched a loyalty program, where you get rewarded for trading. Isn't that crazy? Even if you lose your trade, you will still get rewarded for trading. Okay, it's not for funded accounts, it's for your normal traditional account. You get rewarded for trading, you make points, and there are different prizes for this reward, and it's crazy. You can see it on the screen. You have the $100, you have the Ferrari. Crazy, you're gonna win a car. This is crazy. Even myself, I'm really charged up to even trade. Which broker is going to give you such an amazing opportunity to get rewarded for trading? So what are you actually waiting for? If you have not registered with Tentrade broker, you can use the link in the description, or use our promo code FXmedia28, so you can join our signal room where we're going to be helping you to make some points. We too are going to be making our own points in our own way, so we want to assist you. So we have a lot of prizes won from Tentrade. Alright guys, so what are you waiting for? Do the needful, guys. Let's go.